Today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda Odyssey EXL. It's modern steel metallic in color, 27,000 miles on it. It's a one owner, local trade. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. The nice chrome trim around the windows. Got your lock, unlock button here on the front doors. It also has the power rear sliding doors. It is equipped with sunroof. Okay. Driver's side of the Odyssey is in great shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle here. It does have rear backup camera. Down the passenger side, it also has a lock unlock button here on the steering wheel, on the door handles. Got your blind spot monitoring camera right there. Alright, once again, it's a 16. It's certified, 27,000 miles, one owner, local trade. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the gray and dark gray, light gray door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have your power rear sliding doors, power lift gate. This is your lane departure warning. Okay, and then this is your blind spot monitoring camera. It does have gray leather seats. Driver seat's in great shape. It's a power driver seat. Go ahead and give you a shot of the sunroof over right here. Okay, does come with the keyless entry key fob. Got your rear power sliding door buttons on there as well. A couple of cup holders in the back, a couple of cup holders in the front, and a nice huge storage area right here. Also have your auxiliary power outlet and USB, but you also have another storage area right there. Passenger seat leather is in great shape. All right. Got your AM FM radio right there. Radio display will be right there. Dual climate controls right here. Heated seats. You're going to have your backup camera and blind spot monitoring camera right there. Does have a push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your cruise control on that side. Got your steering wheel audio and Bluetooth over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 27,852 miles. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the radio display. Okay, this is going to have all your channels on here, going to have the time, date, whatnot. We'll scroll on down here. Once again, dual climate controls with your heated seats. And this is also your radio display right here as well. Okay, let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. And that's going to be up here on this upper screen. It's got the guidelines on there. Okay, and then your blind spot monitoring camera. And it's going to be on this upper screen as well. And it's got the guidelines on there too. Okay. Let's go ahead and hop out and check out the second row. And you simply just hit these buttons right here. And that's going to open up both the sliding power doors there. Second row leather is in great shape. I got that center section there that can come out, kind of like the split bench. Okay. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Access here to the third row. Third row leather looks great. No issues at all with the interior of this Odyssey. And to close the door, you can simply hit this button right here, or you can just pull the handle. Alright, door's nice and smooth closing. Got the power lift gate. Simply press that button there. Nice and smooth coming up. It does have the nice plastic protector mat down here. Okay, got another convenient power outlet there. Alright, and this third row seats, they will fold down into this section, leaving you a bunch of room back here. Alright, and simply hit this button here to close it. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Alright, they're in great shape. It's a brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 Honda Odyssey EXL certified, one owner, local trade. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.